Come test drive the 2015 Silverado 1500. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: hill descent control, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, roll stability control, daytime running lights, rear step bumper, auxiliary engine cooler, fog lights, power brakes. Inside you'll find Wi-Fi hotspot compatible, audio, internet radio, Pandora, MyLink, satellite communications, cruise control, audio auxiliary input, memory card slot, multifunction display.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.